Okay Google, open YouTube. Set up OK Google on your iPhone. So let's see. First open phone settings, then search Siri, type Siri and open this. First turn on talk Siri if need. In some phone this feature is off. Just turn on. Now go back to settings option again. Then open accessibility. Here you can scroll down, find voice shortcut, open this, set up voice shortcuts, continue this, select Siri, then select voice Mac and say OK Google like this. OK Google, then go here, say 3 times one by one OK Google like this. OK Google, OK Google, then continue this. So setup is ready. Go to home screen. Let's test this. OK Google, open YouTube. Try again. OK Google, what's the time is? So thanks for watching.